Hey, I'm Christian Loftus. I'm one of the owners at Warehouse Direct. I wanted to make this quick video for property managers so you can understand who we are and what we do. For awareness, both my partner and I own rental properties ourselves, so we understand the headaches associated with turning them over. I only own 4 rental properties, but I've talked to a lot of property managers, and these are the 4 common issues that we hear about. The first one is price. Warehouse Direct's business model is focused on low margin and high volume. We get discounts by buying 20 pallets at a time to fill out an entire truck, and then we pass this savings on to our customers. The second issue is quality. Our company only sells wear layers that's 20 mil or up, so this ensures that the LVP you buy from us will stand up to your normal tenant wear and tear. Speed is the next problem that I hear about. We currently stock about 20 colors that are available on a daily basis. If we get a call or a text for an order, it will be ready for you to load up when you get here. The last issue I hear about is choice. Our most popular line of US made LVP has 36 colors and we currently stock 11. If you need a custom order, it'll be ready for you in 3 days. We've partnered with an American factory which is committed to long-term production lines, so matching flooring a few years from now shouldn't be a problem. The last thing I want to mention is that we do have a property manager program that is based off of repeat volume, but it can save your company additional money over the course of a year. We are hungry for your business and would love to talk to you about how we can help you, so please give us a call.